Happy morning everyone. So today we are going to do the long sound of vowel E. The long sound is E. We stretch the sound. Now let's do it with the smart pen.
E for sheep. Sl E for sleep. J E for jeep.
So you have seen how the pen speaks. Sh E per sheep. Sl E per sleep. J E per jeep. The long sound we stretch it and then we have to write double E. But if the sound is short, we will write I. For example, sl E per sleep, then double E will come. If we will say sl E per, then sleep, I will come instead of double E. So now let's read the other words.
E words. V-E-B, weep. E words. B-E-B, ear words. P-E-E, feel. Eat words. M-E-T, meat. Eat words. Deed. D-E-E-D, deed.
So these are the words of E family, long sound of E. So you have to read all these words with the use of smart pen. So now I'll show you some other words which are having double E sound. See, T-E-Th, teeth, sh-e-t, sheet, str-e-t, street. Then there is v-e-k, week. Now see, sp-e-ch, speech, bl-e-d, bleed, ch-e-k, cheek, s-e-m, seam, t-e-n, teen. These are the words other than the book.